Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list or your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it. You just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on calls, just click on it. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. You keep going down. Then you come here to hit for non-phonebook contacts. Clicking this sign. So when you just click on it, before that you have to get premium here. So then automatically it's going to enable with you here on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.